Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First a look at the top stories. Save Earth's protective shield. World observes Ozone Day. Let us come together and save the protector. A Prudent Media special. GBA raises concern over final planning of RP 2021. Says plans submitted by Panchayats are tempered. BJP demands clear instructions on HSRP from Transport Minister, says implementation only if Supreme Court guidelines are followed. Goa bid final adieu to famous football commentator Noel de Lima Letao. And 110 players shortlisted for auction. 3 clubs confirm participation for Goa Cricket Association's professional league. Now the news in detail. 16 September is a special day for environmentalists. Throughout the world, this day is observed for preserving ozone layer of the earth. Ozone layer protects earth from the harmful effect of ultraviolet rays emitted by sun. But sadly, ozone layer is under threat due to man-made pollution and our changing lifestyle. We bring to you a special report on what role man can play to save Earth's protective shield. 10 to 50 kilometers above Earth lies protective cover of ozone layer. Ozone layer is important for Earth as it absorbs biologically harmful ultraviolet radiation emitted from the sun. Thanks to ozone layer, Earth has given birth to vibrant life system. But man-made pollution through chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs and other dangerous gases have depleted ozone layer since past 3 decades. In 1970s, world was shocked to see large-scale ozone depletion over Antarctica. Many regions over Northern America also witnessed ozone depletion. Ozone's depletion was a welcome for ultraviolet and other harmful rays of sun. There are also some natural reasons for this depletion, but man-made pollution remains the main cause for it. Thanks to world's collective response, many countries have banned industrial use of CFCs. But still, ozone layer is in danger. Oxygen in atmosphere helps in making ozone layer. But sadly, large-scale deforestation and emission of carbon monoxide is putting pressure on oxygen, which in turn affects ozone formation.
Because of the increase in the human population, the forests are being cut, the plants are being cut. Plants are the only source wherein carbon dioxide is split into carbon and oxygen, wherein oxygen is released by splitting of water. So this, in the absence of the plants, the amount of oxygen that being released is becoming less. Hence, the very population growth is affecting the amount of forest, so in turn it may affect the ozone layer formation.
Changing lifestyle of man is also putting pressure on ozone layer through some way or the other. Best way could be saving every amount of energy through best possible ways.
In my opinion, let us all stop using electricity 1 minute a day. At least we could collectively save the good earth.
For Earth to remain safe, ozone layer is of utmost importance. Responsibility of saving ozone layer lies with every one of us. It is time to act now to save Mother Earth. With video journalists Ganesh Shotkar and Dhananjay Savarnkar, Rakesh Kandolkar for Prudent Media.
Goa Bachao Abhiyan on Wednesday raised concern over final planning process of Regional Plan 2021 and urged citizens to verify their village plans which were submitted at the TCP office. GBA alleged that the plans approved by Gram Sabhas and submitted by Panchayats are tempered.
Village plans duly passed by the Gram Sabhas were submitted to the village Panchayat. They were forwarded to the Town and Country Planning Department. GBA alleged that these plans are tampered and urged people to verify their village plans submitted to the TCP office.
And is concerned about the discrepancies that have cropped up in the methodology of processing it. There are disturbing developments and we urge the people to actively verify their village plans as submitted at the TCP office, to insist on transparency and ask for an inspection of files under right to information to verify the status of the same.
GBA said that some of the gazette documents with regards to the conversion of land were mysteriously missing from TCP department when draft Regional Plan 2021 went for printing. GBA claimed that some of those missing files are now found and the attempts are on to incorporate these changes in draft plan. GBA convener Sabina Martins has raised doubts on the validity of these notifications.
A number of gazette changes have not been mapped in the plans submitted to the people, as the town planning did not have the files for them at the time the draft Regional Plan 2021 went to print. Some of these files have now been found and are likely to be incorporated in the plan. The validity of these need to be checked, whether they have gone through both gazette notifications and their impact on the village studied.
GBA co-convener Sabina Martin suggested villagers to check if their VP status is as per their Gram Sabha resolution.
With the delay in the plan, vested interests are taking advantage of full FAR despite Gram Sabha resolutions regarding VP status to be applied. Villages should immediately demand application of the new VP status as per their Gram Sabha resolutions.
GBA also raised concern over not including ODP as a part of the regional plan. Sabina Martin said even applications regarding eco-sensitive zones are blatantly ignored, which is a cause of concern.
Even the critical application of eco-sensitive zones has blatantly been ignored. Almost 60% of Goa's population lives in the ODP areas. It is a matter of concern to all. Many projects have been slated in these areas without following the consultative process.
Raising the doubt on the planning process of Regional Plan 2021, Goa Bachao Abhiyan today appeal people to come and verify the village level plan in town and country planning. In Panjim, Murari Shetty with video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
Bharatiya Janata Party on Wednesday asked Transport Minister Sudhin Dhaurikar to issue clear instructions on high security number plates. BJP said that high security number plates will be implemented in Goa if Supreme Court guidelines are followed and the price is affordable to the common man. BJP has also demanded DGP inquiry into police failure to deliver summons to Health Minister Vishwajit Rane.
Last week, Transport Minister Sudhin Dhaurikar decided to keep HSRP voluntarily, but BJP is still not satisfied with the procedure. BJP has asked Dhaurikar to issue clear instructions so that authorities obey the instructions of HSRP not being mandatory.
Voluntary म्हटलेली आसा जाल्यार वॉलंटरी जाल्यार कोण ते बसोवचोच ना. खरेंच सिक्युरिटी आसा जाल्यार कोणी वॉलंटरी खातीर वयतलो आसलो. पूण ह्या हितून सिक्युरिटी नाच, फक्त गोड बंगाल मात आसा. त्यामुळे भारतीय जनता पार्टीची मागणी आसा ताबडतोब फॉलोअप इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स त्या अधिकाऱ्यांक दिवची आणि हो विषय व्यवस्थितपणे सोडवचो.
BJP has questioned Sudhin Dhaurikar on installation of duplicate number plates.
व्हेकल रजिस्टर जावचे पयलीं तो ऑफिसर आहा पळय तो ताका सांगता की तूं वच आनी पयशे भर त्या सिमनीट उंच कंपनीचो जो कावंटर आसा तेजेर पयशे भर, तेजे कडेन स्लीप आपल्याक दाखय, तेन्ना तो रजिस्ट्रेशन स्लीप दिता आनी ती घेवन मागीर व्हेकल हाडपाक वयता मनीस. त्यामुळे डुप्लिकेट आसूंक शकता कशी, म्हणजे ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर एक तर तेजेर विचार करूं ना, ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टराचो हेजेर अभ्यासूच ना, किंवा तो नाटक करता. डुप्लिकेट नंबर प्लेट बसूंक शकता कशी मनीस.
BJP also demanded DGP inquiry into police failure to deliver summons to Health Minister Vishwajit Rane. Court had issued summons to Health Minister Rane in Iris threat to kill case.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी